Hello, welcome our GearResearch channel. Today in this video, we are going to show some of the best cloth napkins for everyday use that are best sold and reloaded in the last couple on Amazon. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product, check the links in the description below, so let's get started with the video. Number 1, Utopia Kitchen Cloth Napkins 12 Pack. The Utopia Kitchen Cloth Napkins are a pack of 12 luxurious cotton dinner napkins, measuring 18 x 18 inches each. They are a blend of 65% pure cotton and 35% polyester and are soft, absorbent, and quick drying. Each napkin is carefully sewn with the finest quality polycotton and comes with a generous hem. They are machine washable and do not fade even with multiple washes in cold water. The napkins are available in multiple solid colors and you can use them at home and business settings. Best seller in cloth napkins, the 12-pack of 18 x 18 cotton dinner napkins by Utopia Kitchen are wrinkle-resistant, fade-resistant, and stain-resistant. The luxury premium cloth napkins are of durable, hotel quality. They have a generous hem and are made of 65% cotton, 35% polyester blended fabric for optimal softness and longevity. They are available in a range of colors and can be folded into a variety of styles to suit your table decor. They are one of the most wished-for items on Amazon and have more than 800 5-star reviews on Amazon. Number 2, RUVANTI Kitchen Cloth Napkins 12 Pack. Tailored with a generous hem and mitered corners, the RUVANTI Kitchen Poly Cotton Linen Napkins come in a set of 12. They measure 18 x 18 inches and bring charm to your dining table. The soft cloth napkins are light and last long. You can use them as wedding napkins, hotel napkins, cocktail napkins, party table napkins, and banquet table napkins. The reusable napkins can withstand wear and tear even after multiple machine washes in cold water. The brand offers a 100% money-back guarantee on the product. For households on a budget, we highly recommend RUVANTI cloth napkins. Available in sets of 12, these wallet-friendly napkins are loomed from a poly-cotton blend that has a strong but relatively thin feel. While we usually prefer all natural weaves, our tester liked that the soft, sturdy, canvas-like fabric doesn't wrinkle like 100% earth-sourced materials. These cloth napkins are low maintenance, too. They were good as new coming out of the dryer and folded up really nicely. Number 3, Utopia Home Cloth Napkins 24-Pack White. This is a pack of 24 polyester dinner napkins that are carefully cut and sewn from high-quality polyester fabric. Each napkin measures 17 x 17 inches and is soft to touch. They are suitable for small to large-sized families and ideal for parties and events. Available in 7 different plain colors, these napkins can go with your decor to uplift your dining experience. You can iron them to make them stand out. The napkins can be machine washed in cold water and tumbled dry in low heat setting. Made of really thick cotton, they're super soft to the touch and almost have a linen-y feel, but aren't too precious that you can't easily throw them into the wash. The napkins come in a bunch of muted colors and you can even get them in a mixed set if you prefer an intentionally mismatched look. I went with the mixed sets, buying a cool set of gray and navy napkins. Number 4, Flour Sack Kitchen Towels 28 x 28 inch Cloth Napkin. The Excellent Deals Flour Sack Kitchen Towels are crafted with 100% ring-spun cotton and have been given a tight, consistent weave. It is a set of 12 premium optical white napkins measuring 28 x 28 inches each. The smooth texture with minimal pilling and linting makes them ideal for home and commercial purposes. They become better with every wash and are highly absorbent, quick drying, and durable. These multi-purpose cloth napkins can also be used for embroidery, painting, applique, and screen printing. A company founded to promote Egypt's crafts, from textiles to pottery. I love a clean-lined, soft white napkin, and the detailing here adds a bit of character, she notes. In a contrasting green, the hand-embroidered zigzag pattern is added by women from Threads of Hope, a tuition-free training center in Cairo. Opting for this set means not only helping to preserve a heritage craft, but supporting marginalized communities such as underprivileged women and refugees. They are made of 60% linen and 40% cotton fabric and are soft to touch. Each hemstitch napkin measures 18 x 18 inches and is available in a pack of 4. They are pre-washed and ready to use, offering a 100% satisfaction guarantee. You can hand wash or machine wash them and iron if required. Number 5, VEEYOO Cloth Napkins 20 x 20 inch Pink. The VEEYOO cloth napkins are crafted from 100% premium polyester and are long-lasting. They suit both casual and formal home decor. Each napkin measures 17 x 17 inches, and the napkins are available in 30 solid colors. Available as a pack of 12, they are ideal table accessories for weddings, banquets, cafes, and restaurants. They have strong hemmed edges and are resistant to wrinkles and stains. You can hand wash or machine wash them in cold water in gentle cycle and iron them on low heat. They are elegant in both their stitching and weight, explains Liza Curtis, a principal at LeWitt Design Studio, who recommends them. Cotton napkins, she adds, are typically less fussy, i.e., wrinkly, than linen ones, making the material a better choice for those who want cloth napkins that are easier to maintain. As the photo shows, you can get the set in either a natural or red color. These dinner napkins serve as both cute cutlery hosts and kitchen towel-like cleaners by a meal's end. These linen napkins are a dinnertime workhorse, thick enough for countertop spills, but they also look great next to a decorative tabletop, explains West. I love the range of colors and the quality of the linen. And the price point isn't bad either. The classic style offers a range of punchy colors, including coral and mustard.